Prior to having the insulation in the walls, I had planned to have double glazing. In fact, that's what I was going to go for, because I didn't know that insulation in the walls injected was possible, because I'd already looked into it and couldn't find anybody that did it. So once I, realised that that was the case, I had them, I had the walls done. And the windows were sealed, I truly didn't need double glazing. There was already some insulation in the ceiling, but I had it, Insulmax topped it up. And there is insulation under the house. It's not very good, but it's there. And I had only had the double glazing sort of after that, but that was pretty much the icing on the cake. To be honest, I didn't need the double glazing. I just wanted the windows to be changed